looks like the carving of the skiers. That looks like skiers trails.
Nice to keep looking at.
These bastards.
Yeah, see, this kind of stuff here kind of like freaks me out. Like it's gonna
Passing
fall.
lane coming up for the Macan. Hold your position for now. Once this red ram passes, you are able to pass the Subaru.
Oh, very good instruction.
Yeah,
Still
so
clear.
I guess it took me like 3 full days to get over because I feel fine now.
Yeah.
Well done.
Oh, there's our people.
Yeah, I'm excited to get out and take pictures this time because last time I couldn't do it. Gross.
Are we going by them or are we pulling off? Oh, we're going. Okay. Group 1 is now Group 1 again.